Hi everyone, my name is Diana. Today I talk about the sense of belonging as living characteristic. We live in an increasingly diverse and multicultural world where each segment of society tends to regulate its own values. Yet out we belong to different culture, ethnic, religion, and linguistic. Having a sense of belonging is common experience. Belonging means accepting as a member or part. A sense of belonging is human need, just like the need to food and shelter. A feeling that you belong is more important is seen value in life and emotion. Some feel belong in a church, some with friends, some with family, and some on Twitter or other social media. Some seek to answer and connect only to people, others believe and feel a connection to all people the world over, to humanity. Some struggle to feel a sense of belonging. A sense of belonging to a large community improves your motivation, healthy and happiness. When you see your connection with others, you know that all people struggle and have different time. Building a sense of belonging requires active and practical effort. One way to work on increase your sense of belonging is to look for ways to be similar to others inside or focus on ways of being different. Is someone much older than you? Maybe they have wonderful stories to tell and you love listen to other experience. Maybe you value making a difference and can contribute to your life with your through strength. Does anyone have a belief system different from you? Maybe both enjoy a good debate about valid faith in God, sharing your different and contributing to accept the person create peace. Acceptance does not mean agree. The World Conference on Human Rights of UNESCO June 1993 in Vienna unanimously agreed that all human rights are universal, considered human rights education essential for the promotion and nurturing of a stable and harmonious relation between communities and the promotion of mutual understanding, tolerance, and peace. It has been said that the purpose of education is to promote the well-being of your people. Human well-being is defined in terms of factors, basic values such as survival, healthy, happiness, friendship, helping others, vision, awareness, relation, friend, or sense of fair meaning in life. Except that he goes on to argue that the school can better place its distinctive role in achieving the goals of promoting human well-being if it is significant in classes. It is emphasis on personal and social evaluation. Thank you very much.